Guys, yung Cadiz City Hall, it's the same long time ago, about 50 years ago. That's the same City Hall. And that's the whales. You know, long time ago, the whales has landed here in Cadiz City. That's why the festival name is Ballena Festival. You know? This is their plaza, their square. I'm going to video